Tharusha. I'm a third-year human physiology major in the College of Arts and Sciences at the UO. I realized I wanted to study human physiology only in my final year of high school when I took a biology class that I really loved. And I even got to do a research project in that class, which is probably why I liked it so much. My experience as a woman in STEM at the University of Oregon has actually been really empowering. And I would say a huge part of that is being able to have mentorship from other women that are in STEM too, especially within my lab. So advice I would give to future people that are thinking about becoming a woman in STEM and a little scared is that there is a lot of support out there from other people that have done it before and want to pay it forward. Our lab is interested in studying how different regions in the brain talk to each other to control human behavior and animal behavior. And one of the regions that we're super interested in is the habenula. But the habenula does many different functions. And so our lab's specific goal is to try to pick out different subsets within that region and figure out how they individually contribute to different behaviors. I think that having a STEM education is super important, and as early as possible too, because I wouldn't have found out how much I love research if I didn't get to start exploring it as early as high school, or even my first year of college. A lot of people tend to think that a life in STEM is very isolated and alone, but in reality I found that it's full of collaboration, and that's one of my favorite things about it now. Something that I've gained from my research career, and you could really gain from any research career, is how to think like a scientist and how to design experiments. And I think that that knowledge is going to help me as I move through my career, no matter what it may be. I think my experience in STEM at UO has been the biggest learning experience in my college time so far. And I think that's because it teaches you a lot about how to be a problem solver, a lot about how to get back on your feet when things don't work right, and how to be creative. And I think it's really important that STEM education starts early so that people can realize if they like it or not. And so I was super glad that I got to start as early as my freshman year. If there's anything that my experience in research has taught me is that I want to be doing research forever. But that could mean a lot of different things, and this experience has taught me that too. Currently, my plan is that I want to become a physician's assistant and include medical research within that career.